In this video, we listed the top 5 best cooling fan that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Taiofan GSZL 2.8 Handheld Fan. The Taiofan GSZL 2.8 Handheld Fan is a compact and versatile portable cooling solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use, featuring a powerful 15,000 revolutions per minute motor and 7-blade design. This wearable fan delivers strong airflow up to 25 CFM while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. With 12 speed settings and 5 power levels, users can customize the cooling experience to match their comfort needs. Its portable freestanding design makes it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, living rooms, travel, camping, and outdoor activities. Constructed from durable copper and plastic materials, the fan combines performance with reliability in a sleek, white finish. Measuring just 1.81 x 7.09 x 2.36 inches, the Taiofan GSZL 2.8 offers convenient personal cooling wherever you go. Number 2. DREO DR-002 Air Circulator Fan. The DREO DR-002 Air Circulator Fan is a powerful and versatile cooling solution designed to improve airflow in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices, and other indoor spaces. Equipped with a high-efficiency, brushless motor, this compact fan delivers an impressive airflow capacity of up to 800 CFM while operating at a remarkably quiet 25 decibels noise level. Its 3 speed settings and adjustable tilt feature allow users to direct airflow precisely where it's needed for cooling, ventilation, air circulation, or faster drying. The fan supports both tabletop and wall-mounted installation, offering flexible placement options to suit any room. Featuring a durable plastic construction, matte black finish, and classic design, the DREO DR-HAF-002 combines performance, convenience, and modern style in a compact package, making it an excellent choice for year-round indoor comfort. Number 3. Lasko U12104 Pivot Pro High Velocity Utility Fan. The Lasko U12104 Pivot Pro High Velocity Utility Fan is a powerful and portable airflow solution designed for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying large indoor spaces. Ideal for garages, basements, workshops, gyms, and home use. This 2-inch utility blower features a high-performance brushless motor that delivers strong airflow up to 289 CFM. With 3 speed settings and a pivoting fan head, users can easily direct airflow exactly where it is needed. Despite its powerful performance, the fan maintains a manageable noise level of 59.3 decibels, making it suitable for a variety of work and home environments. The rugged standalone design, durable plastic construction, and convenient carry handle enhance portability and ease of use. ETL listed for safety and backed by a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty, the Lasko U12104 offers reliable, efficient airflow for demanding cooling and drying tasks year-round. Number 4. Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist FA302. The Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist FA302 is a premium indoor and outdoor pedestal fan designed to deliver powerful cooling performance with the added benefit of an integrated misting system, featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor and airflow capacity of up to 956 CFM. This versatile fan provides refreshing air circulation for patios, porches, living rooms, bedrooms, and outdoor gatherings. Its rechargeable battery offers up to 24 hours of cordless operation, while the included portable water tank enables convenient misting wherever you need it. With 5 speed settings, oscillation, adjustable height, remote control functionality, and quiet 55 decibels operation, the FlexBreeze Pro Mist delivers customizable comfort in any environment. Built with a durable freestanding design and water-resistant construction, this fan is ideal for cooling, ventilating, drying, and enhancing comfort both indoors and outdoors. Combining portability, powerful airflow, and advanced misting technology, the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist is an excellent solution for staying cool in warm weather. Number 5. AMACOOL K50 Waist Clip Fan. The AMACOOL K50 Waist Clip Fan is a powerful and portable personal cooling solution designed for outdoor work, travel, hiking, camping, and other active lifestyles. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that reaches speeds of up to 16,000 revolutions per minute, this wearable fan delivers strong airflow while maintaining a relatively quiet 55 decibels operation. Its large 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended cooling performance, making it ideal for long hours outdoors. Featuring 5 adjustable speed levels, a convenient waist clip design, and USB-C charging, the K50 offers both comfort and versatility. The built-in LED light adds extra functionality for nighttime use, emergencies, or low-light working conditions. Constructed from durable alloy steel, silicone, and plastic materials, this lightweight fan is built to withstand demanding environments while remaining comfortable to wear. Compact, reliable, and highly portable, the AMACOOL K50 is an excellent choice for anyone needing hands-free cooling on the go.